Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Happy September. It is super close to fall and I could not be more excited. So I have always really loved summer, and that summer has always and probably always will be my absolute favorite season. But I really like fall too. I love the fall smells, the fall flavors. It just reminds me of being by the campfire and enjoying the s'mores and the hot chocolate and all of the fun things that kind of go into the colder months. So I am super excited to bring you guys along with me throughout the rest of this year. September to me is going to be more of like a reset month, I would say. I have some really good goals in mind. This is something that I like to sit down and kind of go over in my head every month, starting of a new month, to set new goals for myself and that sort of thing. So I hope you guys will come along on this journey. About a month ago, I did a video talking all about how I wanted to go back keto and how I thought that would be the perfect thing to do for my health, and that's how I felt my greatest. And since then, I've kind of come to terms with, I thought I would never say this, but keto is not the only option. So that's kind of what I want to talk a little bit about in this video. I've been kind of doing like trial and error with myself to see what foods make me feel the greatest. And I've kind of decided that I do not want to force myself to go back 100% keto. And there's quite a few reasons why. For one, I want to be able to enjoy all foods. I want to be able to enjoy every moment with my family, with my friends, and not feel restricted. I have changed a few things in my diet and I have lost inches. So I am super pumped about that. I have not lost like weight on the scale, but I have lost inches. And I'm just discovering every day which foods make my body feel the greatest. And so moving from September forward, I want to focus on my health, making sure that I'm eating healthy, making sure that I'm getting the exercise in, and enjoying every moment, just living in the moment, because that is something that I feel like I struggle with, is living in the moment and not living in the future. Or, you know, I don't really tend to live in the past, but I really struggle with making plans, and I'm a planner. I want everything planned out, and that's something that I want to kind of focus on, is just enjoying every moment. And that's what life's all about, is making memories and just enjoying life. And that's what I want to focus on. So I have made a cup of coffee. I'm going to kind of split the screen and show you how I've made my coffee this time, because I used a new syrup that's really good. I'm going to show you that in a separate clip because I talked a little bit about the syrup. And then also I started using a new creamer. So it's a Nut Pods creamer. I ordered a huge box of coffee from Amazon that has lots of fun fall flavors in it. This one is the Pioneer Woman pecan pie, and it is absolutely delicious. In this particular cup of coffee, I did add a little bit of stevia. So I used the flavored coffee stevia, my new Da Vinci sugar-free caramel syrup, and it's really good. I've never tried anything other than the Jordan Skinny syrups, but I really like that new Da Vinci syrup that I have. It's just delicious, and so that's probably something that I'm going to be purchasing in the future. I do not have a discount code for it, but it's really good. And they also have other flavors, like they have a vanilla, I believe. I haven't tried it yet. Caramel's the only one that I've tried, but I really want to try some of their other flavors because they're really good. And that syrup I actually purchased from Walmart, not from Amazon. I purchased it from the Walmart website. So it's really good though, because I really love coffee, and so I love changing up my syrups and that sort of thing. I've also been doing 3 pumps of this Da Vinci sugar-free caramel, and this syrup is absolutely delicious. I still love my Jordan Skinny syrups, but I really like this new syrup that I'm trying. It's sweetened with Splenda, so instead of stevia, this one's with Splenda. Still 0 calories, 0 carbs, 0 sugars, but it's really good. So that's how I've been enjoying my coffee this week. It's been really delicious. I've really enjoyed my coffee every day. I'm a huge coffee fan, so if you guys don't know that by now, I love my coffee. And so I have been using the Nut Pods creamer, and then a couple days I have used a Fairlife milk. They have a lactose-free milk that's absolutely delicious if you are lactose intolerant. I am not lactose intolerant that I know of, but certain milks seem to hurt my stomach. So, and dairy. So I really have enjoyed trying that this week. I haven't noticed any issues with my stomach or anything like that. It's been a really good week. I have really been trying to be intentional, as I mentioned, with living in the moment and just enjoying everything, which is another reason why I'm sitting outside. I thought I would bring you guys along with me, just kind of sitting out here, chilling on my porch, enjoying this coffee that I'm almost finished with now, and just talking to you a little bit about how my goals are going to be set moving forward. I would really like to bring some videos to this channel that involve meal prepping, because I know a lot of times life gets busy and it's super easy for me to have meals prepped in the refrigerator that I can just heat up for lunch, have crock pot meals ready for supper time and that sort of thing. So if those are videos that you would like to see, please let me know in the comments that that's something that you would like to see. Also, grocery hauls. I love doing grocery hauls, love filming grocery hauls. And I'm actually going to include a grocery haul in this video to show you just a few items. I really was not out of a lot, and a lot of items I picked up for recipes. I think there's like 2 or 3 items in this video haul that I'm going to do a chicken tender recipe. It's a honey mustard chicken tender recipe. I was actually going to film it, but when I got home with all of my groceries, I realized that I forgot the honey, and I needed honey to make the honey mustard chicken tenders. So I will be sharing that video with you. I haven't filmed it or anything yet, but I'm going to be filming that in the future and sharing that with you. It's going to be a really delicious recipe that I'm excited to try. So yeah, just thanks for coming along with me and hanging out with me for a few minutes today. I hope you guys enjoy September, and I hope to bring you future recipe videos and that sort of thing. So I picked up 2 non-fat Greek yogurts. This is for a recipe: broccoli, baby carrots, salmon, green beans, mayonnaise, immunity shot, bananas, white mushrooms, veggie straws, popcorners, Simply Cheeto Puffs, the Sargento Balance Breaks, and some Sara Lee bread. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys coming along with me on this journey, and I will see you again next time. Bye.